And good morning, Facebook. We're back. Welcome to the SimplyDiag Community Hub. Happy Hump Day and all that. Wow, what a bank holiday weekend that was. Had a nice easy day yesterday. Didn't go live, didn't do the Zoom, just did a little bit of admin work yesterday. But we're back today in full effect. We've got a visitor coming today, pick a car up. We've got a Mazda CX-5 coming in with a vacuum pump. Range performance issue, wonder what that'll be. Wonder whether there'll be a little bit of EGR and carbon deposits involved in that one. What else have we got going on? Oh, we've got all sorts of really cool stuff going on today. And yeah, member Zoom will be back on 8:30, 9 o'clock, something like that. So the member Zoom will be alive. If you're a subscribing member of SimplyDiag.net, feel free to jump in and say hi. Morning, Ahmed. How are you, mate? Morning, Keith. Yeah. I think autumn's coming. I think we're done with summer. Morning, Murray. Yeah, I've had to start layering up now. Got the body warmer on, the hoodie on, and all that. So yeah, might be time to test drive the new heater. Here we go. Well, we'll see, won't we? We'll get some feedback from the ride-alongs this week. But yeah. We've got a nice short week. Morning, Keith. How are you, mate? Nice short week this week. And I've done something different as well. Believe it or not, I've lowered my prices. I have. I've dropped my prices now for my all-inclusive initial assessment. Morning, Clive. And the reason I've done that is I'm not getting the variety of work that I used to see that makes for good social media. Morning, Lester. How are you, mate? Yeah, so I've dropped my prices and I've opened my bookings up now to the public again. And I don't know whether that's going to be good or bad, but yeah, I need to see a little bit more variety of work for the social media and stuff like that. So yeah, I've dropped my prices, not by a lot. You know, it's still extremely good value for money. Most of the faults we see, we're able to find and fix with no parts, no additional labour within the initial assessment. And yeah, if it needs something a bit more, well then obviously that's got to be paid for. But yeah, I've dropped to a couple of quid. So we'll see how that goes. See if that gets any interest. They won't be going any lower than they are, though. I can assure you that. We've still got to put the lights on. Yeah, we've got a visitor today. Alex is coming to pick this Peugeot up at long last. We've got the ECU back for that. And what else? Thunderbird 2. Been in the body shop, had all the body work done. We're just waiting for it's got to be valeted now. But yeah, so she's looking lovely. We'll do the grand reveal once she's been valeted. So yeah, many thanks to Mario and the team at Priceless Autos. Sorted the bodywork out on Thunderbird 2. Absolutely stress-free experience. Highly recommend the body shop there. Fantastic gang of lads, Geordie and Mario and that. Yeah, so thank you very much to Priceless, and we'll see you later on. So if it's been your birthday over the bank holiday weekend and I've missed it, happy birthday. If it's your birthday today, happy birthday. And if it's your birthday tomorrow on Thursday, happy birthday for tomorrow. A little bit more catching up to do as well today, but like I said, the member Zoom will be on from about 8:30, 9 o'clock, somewhere around there, and we'll see you later. Have an awesome hump day. Thanks for watching. You're awesome.